start by giving it a couple of wee fancy cuts. And this is an ace assembly, so the chances are I just landed on all 4 aces, so I'll let you go ahead and I'll check it in a second. So, 4 aces, and they go back onto the top of the deck. So we've got hearts, we've got diamonds, we've got clubs, and we've got spades. Now, I'm just going to put them all into a pile, just like that, and I'm going to add 3 cards to this pile, 3 cards to this pile, 3 cards to this pile, and 3 cards to this pile. Look, all it takes is one snap and the ace disappears from this pile. Snap again, the ace disappears. Snap again, and the ace disappears.
I was hoping I'd get more, but you know, 600 I can live with.
And then snap, and all 4 aces jump into one pile.
Is that done?